Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term verse. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, verse is short for versatile, often used to describe someone who is flexible in their sexual or relationship roles. People use it when talking about dating preferences or identity. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Verse first showed up in LGBTQ plus communities in the 1990s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people exploring identity. Now let's check out how to use verse in a sentence. Correct example 1. She identifies as verse because she enjoys both dating men and women. Correct example 2. My friend is pretty verse, so he's open to different styles of dating. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said vers at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using vers right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Vers means versatile, describing flexibility in identity or roles. It started in LGBTQ plus communities in the 1990s, and now you'll hear it in conversations online or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with vers in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.